Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to draw Megumi Fushiguro and a subscriber asked me to draw him, so let's start! So start drawing with a straight center line. And then I will be drawing two lines for the eyes with a little distance between them cause you know his eyes are like less heightened and long like siren eyes are. So everyone watch the video till the end and like the video too. And also if you are seeing me for the first time then subscribe to my channel because you may not see me again and for supporting me too. It's an easy tutorial. And everyone, I have a good news too, and that is I just completed 9,000 followers on Instagram because there one of my reel went viral and now it has around 350k views, still counting, and I'm of course happy. So now after maintaining the same distance from the center line, I am drawing the right eye now. After drawing the eyes, let's draw the face shape. And this line is for locating ears and nose. Like you know, mostly the ears start from the eyes and end at the nose, so in this way we draw the ears. But guys, think that if Megumi has this military haircut, I think he would be looking more good, right? But anyway, let's draw his hairs. And I think before drawing any further, let's draw a bowl shape first over his head so that the drawing of hair will be easy because they're just supposed to surround this bowl. Our pretty neat sketch is finally done, and now let's remove it lightly and then do the outline. And here I'm using an 8B pencil for the outline. It's pretty much dark. Outline is finally done, and now let's use this 2H pencil for the shading in face. And now I'm using a 2B pencil, which is a little darker than normal HB, and doing some shading in the hair. And although it's making not a big difference between 2B and 2H, but there is a big difference. So finally, after shading, let's do the blending with my broken blending stump, and it's a small one, and just blend the area some. Okay, finally we are there, and now let's go to see the final look. So here's the final look, and I hope you liked the video and it helped you a lot, and if really yes, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!